Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with GoDaddy for domain and email setup step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. Type godaddy.com in the address bar and press enter. Once the home page loads, look for the sign in button at the top right corner. If you already have an account, enter your credentials and log in. If you're new to GoDaddy, click on the sign up or create an account option. Fill in the required information, including your name, email, and password. After completing the form, click on the Create Account button. Next, you will be taken to the domain search bar on the home page. Type in your desired domain name and click on Search Domain. GoDaddy will show you if the domain is available. If your chosen domain is available, click on Add to Cart. If it's unavailable, consider trying variations or suggestions provided. Once you have selected your domain, you can review your cart. Click on Continue to Cart to proceed. You might see options for additional services such as privacy protection. Decide if you want to add any extras and adjust your selections accordingly. After finalizing your options, click on Continue to Checkout. Enter your billing information, including your payment method. Review your order details once more to ensure everything is correct. After confirming your order, click on Complete Purchase. Once your payment is processed, you will receive a confirmation email. Log back into your GoDaddy account if you aren't still logged in. Navigate to the My Products section under your account settings. Locate the domain you just purchased and click on it for more options. To set up email, look for the Email and Office tab in your account dashboard. Click on Setup next to the email plan you wish to use. Follow the prompts to create your new email address. Choose a username and complete the necessary fields. Once you finish, click on Create to finalize your email setup. GoDaddy will guide you through the configuration steps. You'll then need to access your email via a webmail interface or set it up in an email client. Make sure to test your new email to ensure everything is working properly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.